Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video here, I'm gonna talk about how I prevented the vintage stem from not being seized. Let's get into this video right now. Oh, by the way, just so I can give you an overview, this is how how my stem looks like this. So this is how it should be. Now I took it out, I opened it up, and this is how it looks now. So in order to open this, to loosen up this stem, you will need the Parktool AWS. So let you see what I'm talking about here. And you're gonna use number 6 over here. So this will go right here like this. And this is gonna help you to loosen that up. Okay, just so you know. Okay, so let's put this aside. And I'm gonna show what I'm talking about. So before I opened up this thing, this vintage stem, you see here, from here to here, and from here to here it was all dry and it looked like this. Now what I had done, I applied some PPLY. So this is my trusty Parktool grease. This is what I use all the time. And let me show you what I had done here. So let's put this aside. And now you see I dabbed it a bit here, but I want to just do it a little professionally over here. No, before I come back down and before I put it back up. Now you see here, well, it's up here. This is the time when I want to properly spread it around. And now I'm gonna drop it down, and now I'm gonna come back here and I'm gonna tighten the stem so it doesn't go anywhere. So that's pretty much that. Now basically you will just come down over here with the necks. You're gonna tighten the this bolt over here after applying the grease, and you're basically good to go. Hopefully you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.